Hey everyone, Arslan here. In this video I'm going to share with you a giveaway. There are two giveaways going on. There's one both on Twitter, guys. So there's a whitelist, two whitelists actually, that, and there's another whitelist right here. So I have two whitelists going on and the $50 weekly giveaway I'm going to give away. So follow the Twitter down below, and I gave you 3 videos. If you haven't watched that, make sure to watch that. There's a flipping tool of NFT, is very good price right now if you want to get into FT. If you're NFT degen, make sure get in there. It's gonna be very good in my opinion, because it helps you to mint. When the website is down, you can mint through contract, and you can snipe on and see the rarity on OpenSea before others. So it's amazing in my opinion. And this is the project. As I already said, you can go to the Twitter, retweet this before in next 3 days, 4 days, because otherwise you're gonna miss it. I'm gonna decide a winner. And yeah, let's talk about the project that I'm going to bring to you guys. Okay, this is the project. Very nice sharp art. I really like it. The main purpose is not the art here. It's the utility that's coming behind it. They are coming with their website with the problem that a lot of people trade. There are very few tools that does this feature. So you can see where your NFT has been, the losses, the profits, when did you buy, how much it was the cost, including gas fee and everything. Sorry. So they're going to bring that software. This is the main key feature when it comes to this Boredmeka. Okay, Boredmeka is kind of reminds me Mekaverse. Just that, and I just need to throw the disclaimer. Anything I share is just my opinion and what I see. I don't know the owners personally, and what I see, I don't see the information much. It seems like Doc's team. And when it comes to their roadmap, they say it clearly. They don't promise anything. They don't say anything impossible that we're going to do this and that and won't deliver. So they are very clear with their vision. They want to bring this software, which I have got the basic details here. So the Ape Force one is the software NFT portfolio tool, tracking entry prices, calculate dollar cost average break even of your NFTs, how much it costed you with the gas fees, floor prices of your NFT, automatically buy and sell if the floor reaches there, gets alert from database and who is buying and selling NFTs. So if there's something going on, if you're holding it, you can get there before others. So it's gonna save you money. And the mint price is pretty decent as well. 0.77 is 0.077 is for whitelist, 0.097 I think is for public mint. And get alert from database and create alerts based on the prices, volume, and your favorite NFTs, and FOMO alert as well if there's a collection, bulk buying happening and stuff like that. So this is a good utility with NFT, which you have profile pictures and you have a lot of features going on with that. Right now you can read everything here as well, not just a tool, the entire platform they're going to give it to you. And that's something good. When many roadmap you see, there is a giveaway, there's a charity giveaway, there's a NFTs giveaway, they don't want to build something, they just want to money grab and then just run with it. And this, they are clear, they want to bring something, they want to bring a system, and in my opinion this could be very well. And I can see here ape shit, it goes to Discord. Okay, so there is nothing, there's only eat banana, and so the team is not docs as we can see. So you gotta be very careful, because I don't want to come out getting blamed or anything like that. I'm bringing you opportunity. I got some whitelist from my community. I'm not getting paid anything from this project. It's solely I saw this and I said this looks good. They're bringing a platform to you guys. You can use that, is because what happens is I made a video today with another utility based NFT. When there's a utility, you tend to hold it because you want to use that tool. You don't want to sell it, because if you got NFT that's doing nothing for you, you want to sell it. Well, it's not doing anything there for you. But when it comes to these type of utility based, they tend to hold their value. They don't just go to zero or anything like that. This is the art. Really like this one. Very shiny. The thing is here, as I said before, it kind of gives Mekaverse vibes. I don't know how, if it's going to affect something or not, but as far as I've seen, there's nothing like that. I haven't heard anything like that so far. It looks very nice to me. I really like this type of thing. So yeah, so far looks nice, everything. Just keep an eye, follow. You have to be in Discord to win giveaway, so links of the Discord is going to be in description. Make sure to join that, and I'll see you guys in next video with further details and more projects. And make sure you get in the giveaway. The earlier you get, the better. And the Twitter link is going to be in description. They have decent amount of followers here, and so far so good. And I'll see you guys in next video. Bye.